Hello everyone, today I want to talk about the diseases that cause belching. Belching is a normal bodily function that occurs when excess air is swallowed and then expelled through the mouth. However, if you experience excessive belching, it could be a sign of an underlying medical condition. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, is a common cause of excessive belching. In addition to belching, GERD can cause heartburn, chest pain, and difficulty swallowing. Another disease that can cause belching is peptic ulcer disease. Peptic ulcers are painful sores that develop in the lining of the stomach or the first part of the small intestine. If you experience excessive belching, along with other symptoms such as abdominal pain, nausea, and vomiting, you should see a doctor. Treatment options may include medication and lifestyle changes. Remember, excessive belching could be a sign of an underlying medical condition. Don't ignore your symptoms and seek medical attention if needed.